Hi, you're very welcome. And in this video, I want to show you how you would subtract one number from another in Excel. So for this one here, there is, as they say, some I prepared earlier. So I've actually crunched the numbers here already for the totals and for my total costs down here. And what I need to do is calculate the profit loss, which basically is going to be my total income up here minus my total loss even. So I start here as always, equals total income, and then I put in my minus sign, which is here, this one, and then I press enter, and then I drag it across. And you see, in some months, I've made a loss. See where it says a minus number here as well. Those there and there. All right. So I hope you find this useful. Mind yourself and take care. Bye.